am Nana, I am Nana, Nana I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Nana I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like them. On the 12th of August 1960, Dr. Seuss published his book, Green Eggs and Ham. Do you like green eggs and ham? Let's try it my way. Put some green coloring and glitter in your eggshells. And now some baking soda. Squeeze some juice from a lemon and watch the magic happen. The acid from the lemon juice reacts to the base of the baking powder and they release carbon dioxide. This is my version of green eggs and ham. Do you like green eggs and ham now? I sure do. I like green eggs and ham, and I would eat them in a boat, and I would eat them with a gun, and I would eat them in the rain, and in the dark, and in a chain, and in a car, and in a tree. They're so good, you see. So, I would eat them in a box, and I would eat them with a fork, and I would eat them in a house, and I would eat them with a mouth. I would eat them here, and there, and anywhere. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Nana I am.